To what point? Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now that's an interesting law.
Chairman of Indian Overseas Congress Sam Pitroda invited the wrath of senior politicians when he said that people must leave at least half of their wealth for the public, citing the inheritance system followed in the US. His remarks were in response to BJP's allegations that the Congress is planning redistribution of wealth. Pitroda was allegedly defending Congress manifesto and cited the example of America and also called the inheritance law interesting.
We have to make sure that few people become so rich that they begin to run government. We have to make sure that's the requirement in democracy, everywhere in the world. Nothing wrong in being rich, nothing wrong in accumulating wealth, but to what point? Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now that's an interesting law. It says, you in your generation made wealth. You are leaving now. You must leave your wealth for public. Not all of it, half of it. Which to me sounds fair. In India, you don't have that. If somebody is worth 10 billion and he dies, his children get 10 billion. Public get nothing. And law says, you get half of it, public gets half of it. So these are the kind of issues people will have to debate, discuss. I don't know what the conclusion would be at the end of the day. But when we talk about redistributing wealth, we are talking about new policies, new programs that are in the interest of the people and not in the interest of super rich only.
Pitroda's example of an US-like inheritance tax in India added fuel to the fire, leading to a swift response from both Congress and BJP leaders. Intensifying its attack on the Congress, BJP leaders accused the Congress of planning organized loot and legalized plunder of hard-earned money of the citizens.
देखिए, सैम पित्रोदा का जो बयान है वास्तव में ये कांग्रेस पार्टी की जो अंदरूनी रणनीति है उसका हिस्सा है, मुझे लगता है। ऐसे समय में बयान आया है जब देश में इस बात की चर्चा चल रही है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी लोगों की गहनों की, संपत्ति की जांच कराकर उस पर कब्जा करेगी, उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगी और ऐसे लोगों को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगी जिन लोगों ने हमेशा हिंदुस्तान को तबाह करने का काम किया है। हम इसकी घोर निंदा करते हैं और देश की जनता आने वाले समय में कांग्रेस पार्टी को इसका खामियाजा जरूर भुगताएगी।
देखिए, कांग्रेस गरीब विरोधी पार्टी है, पिछड़ा विरोधी पार्टी है, दलित विरोधी पार्टी है, आदिवासी विरोधी पार्टी है, महिला विरोधी पार्टी है, गरीब विरोधी पार्टी है और इस पार्टी का जो असली चरित्र है उसे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने उजागर कर दिया। इसके कारण से कांग्रेस बौखला गई है। पहले तो इनकी स्थिति 40 सांसद जीतने की भी नहीं बन रही थी, लेकिन अब 40 से भी नीचे आने का रास्ता उन्होंने अपने आप बनाने का काम किया है। देश में लहर है मोदी जी की, लहर है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की और 4 जून को 400 पार प्रचंड बहुमत से फिर मोदी सरकार और करने हैं बड़े बड़े कार्य।
The Congress, however, distanced itself from Pitroda's remarks, with party leader Jairam Ramesh stating that Pitroda's comments were not reflective of the party's position. Ramesh accused the BJP of sensationalizing Pitroda's comments to divert attention from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's election campaign.
Well, Mr. Pitroda has been a friend, philosopher, guide, mentor to lakhs of people across the world, including me. He's also president of the Indian Overseas Congress. He's made numerous contributions to the development of India over the decades. Now, he expresses his views on issues that he considers important very freely, and that's part of democracy. So he makes these comments in the US. He's made these comments in the US. While he's free to say whatever he has to say on issues on which he feels strongly, it's not always that he reflects the views of the Indian National Congress. And on this particular issue also, he's not reflecting the official position of the Indian National Congress.
Sam Pitroda later clarified that he made the remarks as an individual and that they were twisted to divert attention from the issues raised by PM Modi about the Congress manifesto.